Good day, guys. As you all know me, as your mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today I'm going to be trading gold, and this is what I just want to update you guys on gold since I didn't update it on the weekly updates. Understand? So, this is what I actually see on gold. You understand? So, I'm gonna show you what I see, and I just funded $100 account on the best broker that I'm using now. You can just get it on the description. Check it out. It's the best broker, guys. Yo, especially when you trade gold, you just trade gold smoothly, and the spread is like the ask price is just cool when you enter a trade. They just don't put it far, like other brokers whereby you find it's there. Well, you just entered here. You understand? So it's a perfect broker, guys. Just get it on the description. Check it out. You understand? So at the end of the day, as much as you can see, guys, I'm already on gold. This is what I'm gonna do when I analyze gold. You understand? Gold is easy to analyze, and to understand the direction of the market is so easy. So we can get that gold been on the bullish momentum from what is this, from 2022 and then to 2023, just got like bearish movement. I feel like those are kind of like retest, the retest that was supposed to happen here since the market broke out never retested. You understand? So it was just doing a retest whereby the market will eventually go to the top. You understand? So basically, I'm gonna pin places whereby when I touch, the market reverses. So I'm gonna just use this one. And as I'm gonna just use this one. As much as I'm there and I'm retesting, I feel like there's no need for me to be creating others there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push straight to daily time frame and see what is it that daily time frame has for me. You understand? So that I can get to understand at the certain I want the current market, I wanna trade at the current market and understand what's actually going on in the current market. So here I'm gonna just create a trend line here for myself. There's the first touch, and then I want to look at second touch and third touch. So if you can see, this is a perfect trend line, so I'm gonna actually clone this trend line, and then try to put it at the top side. So you can see when I clone it, it's like this. So it actually means this kind of like moving like this. And then I'm gonna take it like this, understand? And then I'm gonna just take it like this, So as much as you can see, it's so beautiful, it's a beautiful trend line. I'm gonna take it like this. So yeah, as you can see, like this is just the structure whereby the market has to move here to the top side. The market sold, bought. So, and if you can check here, it was just creating corrections. Understand? Here, it created a correction movement here, and then it bought here. Understand? So it's been creating the same thing here. It's been creating the same thing even here, even here. So that's what the market will be creating, understand? And currently when I check at the market just created certain movement like that. So let's create those places whereby when the market reverses when the market touches, the market reverses. It's very important to have those places because if you don't have them, it's gonna be a bigger issue. You understand? So those are the places here. Those are the places. These are the places. These are the places again. And so these are just the places where when the market touches, the market reverses. So it's very important to have them because you might see the market playing around and then you don't know why is the market playing around. And so it's very important to have such places so that you understand these are actually the places where when the market touches, the market reverses. That's all, there's nothing much more with that. Understand? So I'm gonna just do my reset here so I can see this quite well. And then, so I just want to show you these places here. You see here it corrected, bot came here. Did the same thing here with the falling wedge and then did what? It bought. Yo, this was a nice buy, yo. This was a nice buy, and I remember I cashed it here, exited here. Check where it went. And I caught the sell somewhere here and I exited somewhere here. It went down there, you understand? So this buy, guys, I'm not gonna do that. In this buy, I'm gonna hold until I get to the direction that I actually want. You understand? So here, if you can check, I think we have a structure from the highest top side and then to the lowest top side, whereby the market is just repeating the movement again. And once it starts repeating movements again, we're gonna kill it for doing that. You understand? Because now you're repeating what we can't say what we don't want you to repeat, but once you start doing that, you're actually showing us, you see, this is the same thing, same thing again, it creating it again and again, understand? So here we have another one here. So that's why we become more confident with this buying opportunity, saying in the past, you did, like I always tell you, when it comes to pure price action, we brag with the past. You understand? We brag with whatever we apply happened in the past and will happen in the future, bigger and better. Yo, pure price action is the best, guys. Pure price action. Yo, I've been trading with this strategy. Check where I am now. So you can see that here we have like a sort of like resistance. Understand? So you know what resistance does, it has to make the market to reverse and then blah blah blah. It can make the market to reverse at this direction that I'm looking forward to, but eventually I can't enter at this resistance because I feel like the market has more momentum of buying opportunities. And if you can check by the zones, the market already passed the zones here. Understand? So all it has to do here is just retest and push further more to the top side. I'm not looking for the market to go further more to the bottom side, because here, if you can check, it just came back for this retest as double bottom. We need to push further more to the top side, but remember, we can never control the market. We let the market tell us where it's going. But so far, guys, so good. I just believe that the market will just buy. Understand? So here we have a diagonal trend line that is there, which we actually call it the major key. If we break out this trend line, we're not coming back anytime soon. So you can just enter your buys here and then hold until to the top side. You understand? I want it here. Understand? I want it here. Yesterday when I entered the trade, I wanted at 100 pips. You understand? But I felt like, no, that's too much, man. That's too much. Let's just give it time. You understand? So yeah, as much as you can see, that's how it is. And then we're gonna actually push to, I haven't yet paid my trading view. Like I told you guys, I've been paying it, but it's like an unnecessary thing to pay. Understand? Because I just need to analyze. Remember, I don't preview the market. So people which pay actually want to preview the market, and they're showing you guys analysis now. I analyze what's going to happen in the future. You never send me back testing, right? I always tell you what's going to happen, and it's going to happen. Not saying I'm the best or I know everything about the market. The concept knows everything about the market. You see how easy I made this simple explanation? The concept, not me, guys. The concept knows everything about the market. I just follow the concept of the market. So if you can check here, we have a perfect trend line. Let me show you something that you guys are not being aware of. Let me quickly show you something that you guys are not being aware of. Here we have a certain like a shoulder here and a head here. And then if you can check, we move straight here. And then there's possibility of the market coming back here, but I don't believe that it can come back. That can come back somewhere here, and then you see it breaking to the top side. Understand? So that's what I believe, but I'm not controlling it. I'll let it. But here I know very well that this side is just a left shoulder, and I'm gonna enter my trades here, hoping that the market will push further. I'm not even actually hoping that the market will do a third touch and come back here. Just a simple of third touch, breakout, move forward. That's what I expect from the market. You understand? So this is how it is, guys. You see, even if we clone this one, let's try to clone this one. I want to see something quick. I want to see something quick. It's like I don't want to put like a lot of trend line because they're gonna confuse you guys. But I'm not confused. I understand what I'm doing. I just want to show you that always when you have a trend line at the top, you need to have a trend line in the bottom side. You understand? So like it's a diagonal resistance and a diagonal support. It has to be there. So let's quickly go to 60 minutes time frame. We're paying there. We're going back there. You see, the market is just buying so good. So like, guys, it's just buying so good. Like, let me try to edit and show you guys my entry point on the video, and so that you get to understand that I entered, and I'm not joking about the entry point that I'm going to hold until I see $1,000 or $500. Understand, guys? When I enter, I enter. It's not that, it's that thing of being confident with whatever I have entered at. You understand? So as much as you can see, this is how it is going. $75 from 145 deposit. So this is how it is. The entry point are perfect. Everything is just perfect, guys. Hoping that the market will push further more to the top side. Understand? Hoping that the market will push further more to the top side. So I'm just gonna put it here. So guys, at the end of the day, guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, guys, watch the previous video. Make sure that you understand everything about the previous video, because the previous videos plays a big role. You understand? They play a big role. You understand? So you always have to go check other previous videos, and then you understand what's going on in the past. You understand? So that's how it is, guys. Let me just upload this video now.